Yeah, g'day guys, Greg here. Listen, I've got a scenario for you. You've just come home from clubbing all night. Your teeth are pretty much ground down to a stump. Your tongue's only just barely hanging on by threads. And you've got a hunger that just won't quit. I tell you what, I've got a really awesome sandwich for you to make. Oh, mate. It's a big breakfast sort of sandwich that you're gonna love. So let me show you what I'm using. So pretty easy actually. All I'm using is some hash browns. I got these from the supermarket deli section. I got some bacon, eggs, got some cheese, tomato sauce, a bread roll, and some butter. The butter will help give you calcium, which will help those teeth grow back, yeah. So grab yourself a frying pan. I've warmed this one up. Oh, yes! It's ripe and ready to go, just like the old Grego. Now I might add a little bit of some sort of oil. I think this one's a vegetable, because that'll help cook these hash browns a lot easier. Get those in, and I'll also get the bacon in too, huh? Now I've got way too much bacon here. Said no one ever. It's going to be a big breakfast, because I mean if you're a big lad like me, you're going to need all that energy to back it up again for the rest of probably in the next 3 or 4 days, aren't you? I know the rules, mate. And all we want to do is crisp up those hash browns and the bacon. While that's just sitting there doing its thing, I've got a bread roll here with Butter's name written all over it. Nice and fresh too. Not too many things better than a nice fresh bread roll, I tell ya, especially when you put some butter on. It's a wrong knife, of course, to use, but at this stage of the morning, look, I don't think anyone cares. Just be careful. Though I know some people that cut their fingers quite easily because they're absolutely useless in the kitchen. Especially when your gums have been chewed half to death. All right. Well, there's most of the preparation done. Yeah, come on, cook, buddy. Cook, 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 cook. Like my brain has. Cooked, 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 cooked. Like my brain is. Cooked, 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 cooked. All right, how are these things going? Slowly but surely. It'll get there eventually. Well, I certainly hope so. So I'm fanging. Oh, yep. It's crisping up nicely. Oh, giddy up, sunshines. We're nearly there. Hold your horses, don't rush it. Unless you're fanging, then get on the horse or back off it. I don't know. It's all doing what it's supposed to do. And that is being cooked, 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 cooked. Like my brain is cooked, 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 cooked. Like my jaw is. Now my brain's so cooked that I forgot to start cooking the egg. It's alright. Eggs don't take long to cook. So I'll crack my egg in here. Stay together, sunshine. Unlike probably yourself at this stage of the morning. Eggs never take too long in the old Greg's kitchen anyway. I like mine over easy, so just quick flip. Right, turn the heat off. We can start throwing this bad boy together. Here's my bottom bun here. So I start off with the hash browns. They're nice and crispy now. And I think I'll go the cheese on top of that, because, well, that'll help start melting, you see. And we can add the bacon on top. See, in the end, it wasn't that much bacon after all. The egg. And get the tomato sauce ready. bun on top. And there you have it. An after rave big breakfast roll burger with bacon, cheese, egg and hash browns. Oh yeah. Alright, well there it is. How good does it look? Ooh, doggy. Tell you what, I can feel the energy coming back already. Okay. Oh, it weighs a ton too. Let's go. Oh my God. That is sensational. Oh my God. That tastes so good. Wow. Got no idea how much I needed that. So there you go, a beautiful breakfast roll. One you just have to try. It tastes so good. Mate, I think this roll deserves a big thumbs up. It deserves a subscribe button too. Click on that. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time I cook something up. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen where the reviews are fingerling.